Now, the method we talked about in class yesterday looks like this. This, and this make the fraction complex. What's the common denominator? X and x plus 1. Okay? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to multiply the top here by x plus 1 and x, and the bottom by x plus 1 and x. Now, some people are helped by me writing this over 1 over 1, making this fraction bar a lot longer. So what I do then, let me get this out of the way, is I'm going to multiply this by this. And who's gone? Do you see an x plus 1 in the top and bottom?
Yes.
Here and here. So that's gone. Who's left? This x times that 1, and it's just x. Minus, let's do that again. That was so much fun. But this time we're going to multiply by this package. And here, what's the same top and bottom? X and x. And who's left? X plus 1. But I have subtraction here, and I use parentheses for that second group. Over, well, when I multiply this by this, who's gone? This x and this x, good. And who's left? X plus 1. Now watch. What's x minus x? 0 minus 1 is minus 1 over x plus 1. So for 77, do you see that we have two fractions connected by division? So could I do this instead? Is this exactly the numerator? And is this exactly what that big fraction bar between them means? And is this exactly the denominator? Now I can only do this if there is a single fraction above and below. I'm not adding fractions above or below. I'm not subtracting fractions above or below. Right? It's just one fraction above and one fraction below. Now, let's do a few things at once. First thing is, what happens to division? Multiply by the, and what do I write? You're right. A squared plus 2ab plus b squared over 1, right? And for now, I'm just going to copy the denominator. And then I remind you of those big red letters. Good. So when you multiply, all it does is become one long fraction, right? Now, anybody know what I can do here? How? You're right. Good? Good. So that just factors first term, last term, and what's this? Which is AB. What's this? What's 1AB and 1AB? Which is what the middle term is, right? Okay, now, A students, you ready? Who's this? Mm-hmm. 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 Right, so you have two terms, and you have three terms. What's the sign pattern? Plus, minus, plus. What makes a cubed the perfect cube? What makes b cubed the perfect cube? B. A times what is a cubed? B times what is b cubed? Everybody good so far? That's the easy, schneezy part, right? Middle term, multiply these two, ignore the sign, AB, right? How many things do you see on top? Separated by? How many things do you see in the bottom? Separated by? Any of those things the same? A plus B and A plus B. How many things you see left on top? Good. Bottom? One. Are those one things identical? Are parts of those one things identical? Yeah, but we don't care. It's parts of it. And so we have left, here's our answer, we're done.